Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can fix your face recognition problem in your OPPO smartphone if your device is not recognize you or something problem in face data, how you can solve this. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on security and privacy, swipe down, click on device unlock, and here it is face. You have to click on face, then face, then you have to draw the pattern and you have to delete the face data and you have to add a face data twice and it will solve your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.